Welcome to CADDology. This drawing is available in Telegram on CADDology channel. Let's start. Now, from here I select part modeling. Now we'll select the plane, front plane, make a rectangle. Dimension is 160, 124. Make a center arc and then trim. Pad 64 mm. I am selecting outer edges and offset it of dimension 24. Inside offset. Make pocket up to last and OK. Select side face as a sketch plane and make a rectangle of 64 by 64. I am projecting a line for reference. Given dimension of the rectangle position is top to bottom is 104 and then exit and then again 48 pad. It select side face as a sketch plane and make 40 mm diameter of the circle. Position of the circle is given in drawing is 32 center distance from bottom of the rectangle. And I am making a rectangle. Forty mm and then trim it. And then exit workbench and pocket of 36 mm. Now we'll be using mirror command for creating another site. Select mirror command and select mid plane and then OK. Our drawing is completed.